In a world where it's so easy to judge, get offended, or hold grudges, Jesus reminds us that love is stronger than hate. Loving others doesn't mean we always agree with them, but it means choosing kindness, patience, and forgiveness over bitterness and anger. Sometimes, life is tough. We meet people who hurt us, disagree with us, or treat us unfairly. It's natural to feel anger or even hatred, but Jesus challenges us to go beyond those feelings. He tells us to love one another as He loved us. As it says in John 13:34, "Love one another as I have loved you, so you must love one another." That kind of love is not always easy, but it's powerful and it brings peace. So today, I invite you to let go of hate. Choose love. Be the reason someone feels seen, valued, and heard. That's how we live our faith, through love in action. Because when we choose love over hate, we become a light in the darkness. We become a community where peace and joy can grow. This command is a gift. It shows us how to live, how to build relationships, and how to carry God's love into the world.